Well, today is the day. I'm fixing the Corvette. Got the parts in. My smog pump is here. I already got it disconnected, as you can see, but I dropped a piece down there. And I definitely think it was my smog pump that blew up. Because, yeah, that's not supposed to be melted like that. So, but I dropped the part down here that I can't find. But that's okay, because it's on the new part. And I'll get it out here in a second. So I got the parts. I'm going to get this fixed in a few minutes and get her cranked. And then I'm going to fix the brake booster, which is this thing. And that I have to move a few things around to get out, possibly. I don't know yet. Haven't tried, but I'm going to get it done today. So I'm going to have a running Corvette. Yay! And this is how you get parts out of your engine. You have your wife crawl in and try to reach. Problem is, it's so far back, you can't see it from this side. And my hands are enormous. So I can't get in there. Uh-oh, think she got it. Nope, she's almost there. We'll get it. So every single bolt in this thing has a different size that you have to use. And I'm like, why would they do that? And what I'm thinking is because they don't want you to get the wrong thing in the wrong spot when you put it back together. That's the only thing I can figure, because literally, this one was an 8 or a 10. This one was a 14. This one was a star bit. And I was like, are you kidding me? So now this one's a different size here. So this one's a 13. I don't know what they're thinking, but I believe it's probably so you don't get the wrong screw in the wrong hole when it goes back together. All right, got the smog pump off. Yeah, so now I got to get back on there. I mean, yeah, that was not fun. It was easy, but not fun when you have big hands. Now I just got to find that part, which is down in here somewhere. I can see it, but it's right down in there. I can see it, but my hand is too big to get in there. Randallin can't get in there, so I've got to go find a way to get in there and get that out of there. So, and then I can put the smog pump back on. So this should be fun. So Randallin's over there trying to get the part out of the car. And I looked over here and I looked at this. It melted the metal. That's how hot it got. That thing is seized shut. So no wonder my Corvette blew up and pulled over, stalled. All that melted metal. That's insane. At least I got it fixed. Well, hopefully. That one little spacer we finally got. Trying to get it pushed out and didn't realize I pushed it onto the ground, so I'm trying to reach under something I didn't get, and then I found it on the ground, but we got it. It's gonna go together quickly now. Woohoo! This is what it's supposed to do. So this is much better than what the other one was. So I'm gonna get this thing put on, hopefully, and it won't take too long, but we'll find out. So we had to go to the auto parts store because these screws were not the correct ones, and one of them was missing. And then we needed another one of those because the other part, somebody had screwed everything up and used all the wrong screws. So now I have the right screws. So an hour later, and we've only been working on the thing for 45 minutes total. Now an hour to go get parts. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get this in real quick, and I'll see you in a second. So I got it back in. One of the screws was too short. For some reason it doesn't catch properly, so waiting for Randallin to get back so I can change that out. And somewhere in there is my size 13 wrench, which I gotta find, or my size 13 star bit Allen wrench. I gotta find it because I gotta put that screw in. Yeah, it was stuck to my elbow and bloop bloop, and now I can't find it, and it's right there. So who knows? I'll find it and I'll get that piece in, and when Randallin gets back we'll get that last screw in, and then the smog pump will be done, hopefully, because I still got to put the belt on. That's going to be a challenge, so we'll see what happens. So that size 13 star bit fell in and hit plastic in. Look, it fell up here. So I'm looking in here for an hour, maybe not 10 minutes, but still, it's right there. At least I found it. So whoever had the smog pump on this thing before had the wrong size smog pump or something, because I go to put the pulley on and they're all the wrong size screws, and those are the ones I took off. So now I have to get all new screws for that. So it only takes 15 minutes is crap, because I'm getting really irritated. If you ever want to fix your car, don't buy a Corvette. C stands for crap, and 4 is the 4th attempt at crap. I swear to God, it just gets worse and worse no matter how hard I try. So we got the part on, the smog pump on, and we got the belt back on. But the best news is, when I come over here, I'm just gonna sneak in. I don't want my Lamborghini door up right now. If I sneak in over here, and I do this, it starts. It runs! She lives! Makes a little bit of noise, but the part takes like 500 plus miles to break in, so it's done. So yeah, if you ever decide to do a smog pump, make sure that the people that own the car before you had the right one in, because every screw and bolt and everything that was on there except for 2 of them were completely wrong, because they had the wrong smog pump on in the first place, and that's why it didn't work. So I had to get new bolts up here for to hold the pulley on. I had to get these 2 new, and then I had to get these 2 new. This one I'm still waiting on because it's just slightly too short, the one I have. So I'm gonna have to get it in there, measure it out, and then cut the little bit extra off. That way I know it fits. So yeah, because if it doesn't have a good seal there, it's not gonna run right. But it seems like she's running fine, so who knows. So like, share, subscribe, make sure you leave a comment, and make sure you hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.